This question is taken from the ENGAA 2020 Section 2 paper, and it is question 16. The question reads, the diagram shows a ray of light passing through media P, Q and R. So as shown here, comes in at theta, leaves at 45 degrees. The ratio of speeds in P to Q is 2 to square root 5. The ratio of speeds in Q to R is 3 to square root 6. What is sine theta? So, what topic do we think this question is about? Well, it's definitely Snell's law because we have these normal lines and the angles here. But what form should we use Snell's law? So not the n1 sine theta, but the other form which is useful to remember. So it is sine theta over the speed equals sine theta of another angle for the speed in the other medium. So sine theta over speed in P is equal to sine 45 over speed in R. So see, this way we didn't need to use speed in Q because we know that this fraction here will be equal to the intermediate one equal to the end one. We can easily deduce sine theta if we are able to get a relationship between CP and CR when we rearrange this. So how can we get CP in relation to CR? So we don't need to know them individually, just the ratio. Well, we've been given these bits of information from P to Q, the speed P to Q, and Q to R, the speeds in Q to R. So the speeds of both of them in relation to the intermediate one, Q, are C of R is square root of 6 over 3 times C of Q, and C of Q is square root of 5 over 2 times speed in medium P. So then how can we get CP to CR? Well, CP over CR will be if we take the 2 and the 3 to the top. So this will be 6 divided by square root 6 square root 5. So we have CP divided by CR equals 6 divided by square root 30. Again, this came from substituting the CQ into here, so we get root 30 over 6. Then the ratio is 6 over root 30 when we take CR to this way and then the fraction to the other side. So we have CP over CR, and then how can we relate this to sine theta? Well, sine theta will be CP over CR times sine 45, which is 1 over root 2. So this is just 6 over square root 60, which is 3 over root 15. So taking a factor of the root 2 and root 2 from root 30 out, so we get 3 over root 15. The answers do not give anything like this, so we need to think, how can we get to the answers, or one of the options? So we should try to rationalise the denominator. So if we multiply by square root of 15 over square root of 15, we get 3 over 15 times square root of 15. So this becomes 3 over 15 is a fifth, so square root of 15 divided by 5 is the value of sine theta.